Hi, I'm Tom from CarPro. Today, let's talk about getting your car ready for summer's heat before those temperatures climb. First, check your air conditioning. Many shops will check this for a small fee or even free. Don't let the summer heat beat you to it. Next, your battery and coolant levels. Hot weather can drain a weak battery, and overheated engines are a hassle. Make sure everything's topped up and healthy. Now your tires. Heat can be tough on them, causing tread separation. Check your tread depth and ensure you've got the right air pressure. Windshield wipers next. Heat rots rubber, so replace any old or worn blades to stay clear of those sudden summer storms. Look at your belts and hoses too. Heat cracks rubber. It's cheaper to replace these now than deal with the breakdown later. And don't forget to top off all your fluids. Proper fluid levels keep everything running smoothly, especially when it's hot. Lastly, protect your paint with a good wax. It shields against scratches and oxidation, keeping your car looking new. You know the old saying, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Well, let's heed this sage advice and prepare your vehicle now to avoid the discomfort and danger of a breakdown later in the heat of summer. To learn more, hop over to carpro.com. And thanks for your time.